In today's video, we are diving into one of the physics exam focus and favorite question style, factors that affect. I know you've seen questions like that. What are the factors that affect which of the following is not a factor that affects? So we are going to go into this exam focus aspect of physics. What are the factors that affect? I will break down 7 powerful concepts you must understand to pass your physics exam. Let's go. The first one, factors that affect the motion of a body. 1. Mass. 2. Friction. 3. Air resistance. And applied force. Please note all this. Number 2, factors that affect the period of a simple pendulum. This is represented by this equation. The period of a simple pendulum is equal to 2 pi square root of L over G. And these factors are the length of the string, L, acceleration due to gravity, G. And I want you to remember that the period of simple pendulum is directly proportional to the square root of the length of the string. Now tell me, what happens to the period when the length increases? Please drop your answer in the comment section. What happens to the period of the simple pendulum when the length increases? Please drop your answer in the comment section. Factors that affect the resistance of a conductor, the resistance of a wire, is represented by this formula. Resistance is equal to resistivity length all over the area. So the factors are length of the wire. The resistance is directly proportional to the length of the wire. The longer the wire, the more the resistance. Number 2, the cross-sectional area. The resistance is inversely proportional to the area. The thicker, that is the more area, the less the resistance. Please take all this serious. Then number 3, the temperature. The higher the temperature, the more the resistance. And also the nature of the material. Is it copper? The nature of the material. That's why we have the resistivity, the length, the area, cross-sectional area. The fourth powerful concept in physics and the factors that affect it is factors that affect induced EMF in a coil. Let's look at this formula while we list the factors. The first one is number of coils turn. That's the number of turns of the coil, the speed of motion of the magnet or coil. Then number 3, the strength of magnetic field. Number 4, we can add number 4, the orientation of the coil. The fifth one, the fifth powerful concept in physics, factors that affect the rate of evaporation. 1, temperature. 2, surface area. 3, we can add air movement. 4, humidity. And 5, wind speed. The sixth one, factors that affect the capacitance of a capacitor. Remember that for a capacitor, Q is equal to CV, where Q is the charge in coulombs, C is the capacitance in farad, and V is the potential difference. You can make C the subject of the formula to have Q over V. Now, what are these factors? They are represented by this. And these factors are the area of the plate, the distance between plates, that's D, and the nature of the dielectric material used. Please when you're looking at this formula, it will help you remember these factors that affect each of them. The last but not the least, factors that affect the frequency of a vibrating string. It is represented by this formula. F is equal to 1 over 2 pi, then square root of the tension over the mass per unit length. That there is the mass per unit length. Remember that the factors are tension in the string, mass per unit length, and length of the string. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want the chemistry or the biology version of this video, drop a comment. And do well to follow us on YouTube and Facebook as Joynuel Digitech Academy and on TikTok as Joynuel Physics. Drop a comment. I want the chemistry version. I want the biology version. See you in our next class. Just drop a comment. Thank you.